Hello and welcome. This is Ruth and today I'm back with another video for Tonic Studios. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful cracker gift box with one of the SVG files from Tonic and then a little sentiment one as well. I'm going to add a little Jingle Bells tag onto it. So I'll be adding some photographs to show you just how I have used the Cricut to cut this out, but I wanted to show you this first of all. There are Craft Perfect 12 by 12 ivory white. Black and white, I think, are the other two colours in that as well. 12 by 12 is ideal for your Cricut or your Silhouette or whatever bigger machine you have for cutting SVG files. So you can download the file once you buy it. You can upload it onto whatever you're using. So I was using Cricut for this one, Cricut Maker. And then I resized the cracker SVG, and you can resize it to whatever size you want that would fit onto a 12 by 12. Normally I'm just using A4 sheets, so I just wanted to let you know that there are 12 by 12 sheets available as well. I'm also going to use some of this Cosmic Vista Speciality card. It's really, really beautiful. So I have used the setting on my Cricut for this one would be intricate cuts with extra pressure. Now, the next few photos will just show you how I have set this up, but you'll set it up in whatever way you are used to for whatever kind of machine you're using, and then I'll come back in a short time and show you how to assemble this. So while I'm setting everything up and getting it all ready, don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, to subscribe to my channel. You'll be able to come back and see lots of things that I have made for Tonic and lots of upcoming things as well for not only Tonic but myself. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you do enjoy it, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a little comment down below, because I always love to hear from you too. So thank you very much. See you in a moment. So now I've got my basic cracker shape, and I have reinforced all those score lines with my little bone folder there, and everything is all ready just to fold up and make into the cracker. It's much easier if you put all these decorative pieces on just before you assemble all of this. So, as if by magic, I've already gone ahead and done all of that. I've done it on some of them, but I have some left to do here. So I'm going to use my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive, and I've got the precision nozzle on it because it makes adding glue onto these tiny areas really easy. You don't have to worry about getting glue on the front whenever you're adding such a fine amount of it. I actually cut out, you may have noticed, I actually cut out too many of these little pieces, but I did need 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. I've cut out 10, but I'm sure I'll use those on something else. And then I needed 4 of these, and I just like to have them all facing the same way, but I don't suppose it matters whenever you're turning the cracker around anyhow. And then I kept these plain just because I like to see the pattern on it. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 of these. So we're going to go ahead and glue all these little pieces in, and then the assembly of the cracker is so easy after that. All I need to do is add some ribbon around here, and then that little box opens and closes, and you can put whatever you like inside there, and as long as there's ribbon around here, it will keep the gift or whatever you have inside there, and you'll be able to open and close it. I was going to add some ivory ribbon onto there, or even black, but I had some ruby red high gloss card sitting on my desk, and the shine off it just looked absolutely beautiful, and I thought it was beside that, and I thought that looks really well with that, so I'm going to add some little dots. Now there are plenty of your die sets that have tiny dots of pieces that will fall out. Even on this you could cut some red dots with it, but I think that would waste too much card to do that, so there are plenty of these ones. This is the little star gift box, and you'll see lots and lots of little pieces that come out of that that are little circles, or you could just use a little hole punch. I've even tried some little snowflakes from different die sets, and they are really beautiful in there, and there's some little stars as well that would be really nice from different die sets. But I've gone ahead and just cut out some little red dots, and you can see them shining there with the high gloss mirror card, and I've used some 3mm chili red crafters ribbon, that's this one, and I've tied around there too. So I'm going to go ahead with my tweezers and my fine tip nozzle again and just add the remaining dots in here, because I'm putting them on similar places on each side, because it's kind of where the where it looks best, I think. But on the top part where the bows are there in the ribbon, I actually am going to be covering part of that up with my sentiment, so I don't really need to have them in the center. So I'll just put them out at the edge here. And out there. Now, I have also gone ahead and cut out the sentiment. So this is Jingle Bells, and I cut that out with the Cricut as well. It's one of the SVG files from Tonic, and that would make a fantastic centerpiece for a card if you just actually make that the full size of the card. But I'm having it a little tag here, and again I have backed it, I backed some card together here, so this is 6 centimeters wide. I've resized that to 6 centimeters. So I've taken a piece of Craft Perfect ivory card to match this, and it is 6.5 centimeters by 3.5, and then I've cut some of the Cosmic Vista slightly bigger than that, and again with my fine tip nozzle I'm going to glue this on here. So I'm going ahead and adding one of these little dots to the top of the eye there, because that will bring the whole thing together, and it's just nice to have that on there. And I've got some of these Craft Perfect dimensional foam pads. Now this is the big size, so they're really good for, I'll just show you the size here. There are 25 by 25 centimeters. Sorry, that would be massive, wouldn't it? They're 25mm by 25mm, and they're 2mm thick, so there are 24 squares in that packet, and 2 of these just hose this up nicely at the back. And that will give a lovely little bit of dimension to that pad, and I can set that on there, that sentiment. And there you are. Isn't that nice? So hopefully you'll have enjoyed that, and don't forget, do have a look at the other SVG files on there. There are quite a lot of them, and some of the Christmas ones are really beautiful. The sentiments, as I said, make really easy Christmas cards, because you could really just make them the focal point. But that cracker is so really nice. There's a different shape in it as well, one that you can have just flat, so you don't need this bottom piece on it, and it sits up, and it is really beautiful too. So thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I do hope you'll give it a go, because these are fairly easy projects to make. Once you set your Cricut up, or your Silhouette, whatever you're using, you can just repeat, and you know, you can turn out quite a few of these in quite a short time, and assembly of these projects is actually really, really quick as well. So thanks again. Don't forget to join me very soon again. I'll have more projects coming up very, very soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a little comment, give me a thumbs up, all of the above if you like. And thank you so, so much for doing that. My links to all of these products will be down below in the description, and they are affiliate links, so thank you very, very much to everybody who uses those. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.